Good morning. I'd like to deposit this check and also inquire about opening a new savings account.
Good morning, Miss Lynn. Certainly, I can help you with that. Do you have your account number or debit card with you for the deposit?
Yes, I do. Here's my debit card. The check is for $500 and I'd like to deposit it into my checking account.
All right, Miss Lynn. I've processed your deposit. It should reflect in your account within 1 business day. Now, regarding the savings account, what specifically are you interested in?
I'm looking for an account with a competitive interest rate, as I plan to save for a down payment on a house in the near future. Are there any specific requirements or minimum balances I should be aware of?
Certainly. We offer several savings options. Our Prosperity Savings account currently has a very attractive interest rate, especially for balances over $10,000. It doesn't have a monthly maintenance fee if you maintain a minimum daily balance of $500. That sounds promising. What's the current annual percentage yield, APY, for that account? Also, is it possible to set up automatic transfers from my checking account? The current APY is 1.75%, which is quite good in today's market. And yes, absolutely. We can easily set up recurring automatic transfers for any amount and frequency you prefer. Would you like me to walk you through the application process now? Yes, please. That would be very helpful. I'm glad I came in today to discuss this. Thank you for your assistance, Mr. Alex. You're most welcome, Ms. Lynn. Let's head over to my desk, and I'll get you started on the application. Deposit. I need to deposit this check into my account. Check/check. She wrote a check for the rent. Inquire about. I'd like to inquire about the terms for a personal loan. Savings account. It's wise to have a savings account for emergencies. Checking account. Most of my daily transactions go through my checking account. Debit card. You can use your debit card to withdraw cash from an ATM. Interest rate. The bank offers a competitive interest rate on its long-term deposits. Down payment. We saved for 2 years to afford the down payment on our new apartment. Annual percentage yield, APY. The APY on this certificate of deposit is higher than a regular savings account. Automatic transfer. I've set up an automatic transfer to my savings account every month. Minimum balance. Some accounts require a minimum balance to avoid monthly fees. Process. The bank will process your loan application within 3 business days.